This doodlecast will show you how to find out the length of something, the duration. And essentially, duration is always a subtraction sum. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard, and it's done in a column way like we've done for addition. Now, I've said that Mr. Woodside's history lesson starts at 11:20 a.m., so that's morning, and finishes at 3:52. It's quite late in the afternoon. The first thing we're going to do to get them into a sum that will work is to put them both into 24-hour clock. So it's only really that one that needs changing. So I'm going to change that to 15:52 before I put it properly in the sum. And we started at 11:20, and it's a subtraction sum. So it's duration. And most of the time this is quite easy. So 2 take away 0 is 2, 5 take away 2 is 3. Should have done that bit before. 5 take away 1 is 4. So it lasts for 4 hours, 32 minutes. Easy, no carrying or decomposition required. However, where we start to get difficulty is when we get the numbers the other way round. And if I put this in a column sum, 3:09 in the afternoon, take away 11:47, suddenly it gets difficult. We have 9 take away 7, which is fine, which is 2, and then we have 0 take away 4, and actually we can't take off and carry across like we normally can. So I'm going to do something slightly different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of my wrong answer, and I'm going to take off an hour from the 15, so I've now got 14, and I'm going to add 60 to the minutes, and I'm going to make that into 69. I think normally it would be better to cross that whole thing out and start again. So now we should be able to do it. 9 take away 7 is 2, 6 take away 4 is 2, 4 take away 1 is 3, and 1 take away 1 is 0. We'll leave it as it is. So the duration is 3 hours 22. I'll just try that again. So let's say we want to find the duration of something that started at 11:29 and finishes at 3:04 in the afternoon. We straight away can't do 4 take away 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an hour off the 15. That's a 60 minutes equivalent. So I'm going to change that from 15 to 14. And I'm going to add that on to the minutes, because 1 hour and 60 minutes is exactly the same. We'll make that into 64. This looks difficult, like you can't do it because you can't do 4 take away 9, but as long as we just stick to borrowing within the minutes and not across minutes and hours, we're fine. So reduce that there, put that there. 14 take away 9 is 5, 5 take away 3, 5 take away 2 is 3, and then 4 take away 1 is 3, and 1 take away 1 is 0, so 3 hours 35. As long as we just borrow within minutes or within hours and not across both, that's fine.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.